I'm so excited today to be out here with Carol from Adelman Peony, standing in this spectacular display bed. Now, Carol, you guys are open.
We are. We have a lot of space here, and people are enjoying the grass walkways and the wide open spaces.
You know, and things are in their, their full bloom and
Yeah.
glory, just coming on right now. It's a great time to come out and see what's blooming and the colors of everything, right?
Yep, we're really into bloom. We had a little bit of warm weather that brought it on, and colors of everywhere.
And is there, anything specific people need to know when they come out, as far as, do they need masks or, distancing? We all want to be safe while we're out enjoying this.
Yes, we have a lot of signs out to remember your social distancing, and it's up to the individual if they wear a mask.
Okay.
And we have a lot of signs and where to stand when you check out, and they have it so you don't need to touch much of anything, and they have sanitizer if you want to use it, and our porta potties have a hand wash station. So
yeah, and being out here in the open, we're not enclosed in any spacing, and the gardens are huge, so there's lots of paths where you can stroll and enjoy all the gardens. And then you also have the retail area where you can go and look and shop for the potted plants already, and you're inside for your cut ones.
Right, and we have a lot of cut flowers available now because the season's progressing, so then you can take those in your house and enjoy them.
Right, so we can venture over to the potted area here and show us kind of what you have for sale over there.
Sure.
So if you're out getting your walk in and you want to get your steps and you want to view the entire acreage out here, you have a big place that you can walk around.
Yes. From the Brook Lake Road to the back is a 1/4 mile long, so you can get your miles that way. And my grandson ran the other way yesterday, but I don't remember how far he said, but you can definitely get your miles in.
And it looks like nice grass, walkways, so it's easy to get around and you get lots of steps. And the fields are all open,
Right.
And just looking at this sea of colors, how many different varieties are you guys growing?
We have well over 350.
Wow.
So lots of color.
And it looks like, a lot of them you can purchase up here that are already potted if you wanted to take something home.
Instant gratification for your garden.
Right. And this is a beautiful one you have sitting here. Which one have we chosen?
This
here?
is Alexander Walcott. The coral colors are what have been flying off the shelf this past weekend.
Right. And then you guys are always, breeding and coming up with new ones all the time. So.
And we have yellow ones, and those are a real new color too.
Are there new trends that you're following with the peonies? Or
well, mostly besides beautiful flowers, shorter stems so that they don't fall over when it rains.
Right.
Nice strong stem for that big flower to hold it up.
Right. And so, with the potted plants, you can purchase those here and come out and pick those up. You can order those online also.
You can order ahead and come pick up. Otherwise, we have bare roots that we ship in the fall all over the United States.
And then how late are you guys open in the season for?
We're going to be open through June 15th.
And then you're open every day of the week?
Yes.
And then, you have the outside...
9 to 6.
9 to 6, okay. And then you have the outdoor sales area, but you also sell the cut flowers also,
Yes.
Right?
Inside we have the cut flowers in a cooler, so you can pick out what varieties you want. We don't have every variety in the cooler, but whatever we've been cutting.
But now is definitely a great time to come out where you can see the fields in full bloom. You can purchase the potted plants. You can order the cut flowers online. For all your information, you can go to your website or Facebook page, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over and come out and enjoy the peonies.